How to grow on YouTube is a pretty simple strategy, but it's so simple that I kind of gloss over it all the time. I forget about it. But it's yesterday in the shower, I was thinking about it and kind of going back to how I've been growing my channels that have been growing, and essentially why it hasn't been working for other channels that I'm also attempting to get off the ground at the same time. And that is essentially because what is the viewer on YouTube for? What does the viewer want? What is the viewer like? Viewers are only on the video for themselves. They're not there for you. They're not there to be your buddy or whatever, do a favor for you and stuff. They're there because they think you're going to be worth their time. And that is a homage that I've heard on multiple videos. But what does the viewer want? And once you start just having that question or asking that question while you're in a video, you're going to start making better content for the viewer, which will then lead to views, subs, etc. Because you will be giving them what they want, which is what the game of YouTube is. It's pretty simple. So once you ask yourself, what does the viewer want, you'll understand that they want something from you. And once you have that mentality, you'll start to figure out what they want and how much they want it. And then that will tell you what is value. You're trying to figure, like other YouTubers will talk about what is value, and I'm here just kind of like reinforce that. I've been doing the YouTube thing for a little bit now, and you need to create something that is valuable. I've noticed that on my channels that are like double digits and triple digits, they started off tutorial based for the games I was playing, and I just made competent tutorials that delivered results, and I could show the results on the screen void of myself because I have no social proof. So that if you have no social proof, you need to prove everything in an entertaining, like you just need to prove everything. You need to prove you're entertaining. You need to prove what you're talking about works. You need to prove that the value they're there for is that. And then once you get a smaller audience, you will get a base, and then get a base where you get certain views to start building up your watch time and your subscriber count, and then the algorithm with your subscribers, because the first thing they do when you pitch a video is pitch it to your subscribers, and then that's pretty much the first feedback loop to the algorithm to tell it how to feed you to the rest of YouTube. So like what I've noticed is that on channels that have no subs and stuff like that, it's kind of hit or miss whether the algorithm even pitches me. Sometimes I'll get a video, I'll get like 10,000 impressions. Sometimes I'll get a video with zero, multiple in a row, and that's fine. Just keep posting; it doesn't matter. But just keeping those two things in your mind. Instead of focusing on how many views you're getting, focused on those two things. What does the viewer want and what is value? And if you focus on those, if those are the first things in your mind when you make a video, you should be able to capture more viewers. At least get, from 0 and to 10 to 50 plus. I've done it multiple times. 3 channels in the triple digits with over 1,000 views on multiple videos on both of them. Just daily posting and just continuously trying to try things out and working on my craft in the highest volume that I can possibly manage. And it has worked out for me. It may not work out. Well, it will work out across the line, but each niche you're going to have to learn how to deliver that little bit of different value, because you'll learn the viewer by posting the niche you're working on. And once you learn the viewer, as you learn the viewer over time, over repetition, over consistency, you will build the base if you just simply do not give up and stick to a consistent schedule. I mean, consistency, I'm just saying all the same things everybody's saying. I'm just saying it here again, just to reinforce the social proof that that is what you need to do. And once you get subs, and this is my hypothesis now, I can't really prove it, but I can, I can kind of prove it. I understand it, but it makes sense if you think about it. Once you start getting more subs, more people are more likely to sub to your channel because you have social proof of subscriber count. That's the whole point of showing subscriber count. And if you get higher view counts on videos, they're more likely to get more views because the social proof. And if you get more social proof, then the better you're going to be doing. So, but you just need to get through that feel bad stage of YouTube where you just don't get any positive feedback until you do. And like I said, the faster you'll get to that positive feedback is, what does the viewer want? What is value? And if you have those questions in your head, you will make better videos, hopefully like this one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll catch you later.